Hello everyone, get ready with me, Cabin Crew Edition. At first, I have used the She Glam Beauty Skin Primer to prime my face. Next, I use this foundation from Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Foundation. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. For bronzing, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. For blusher, I'm using this Kiko Milano in shade Unlimited. For eyebrows, I'm using this Naked palette, the dark brown shade. Unfortunately, my eyebrow gel is over, so yeah. Next, for my eyes, I'm gonna use the lighter, the darker, and the medium brown shades just to give a cool, warm look on my eyes. For my inner corners, I'm using a highlighter. Next, I have these two of my favorite eyeliners, one from Tom Ford and one from NYX. But I'm using NYX at the moment. These are my favorite. I'm using Rimmel mascara for my eyelash. I'm using Isadora eyeliner for my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. For my lips, I'm using this Characters lipstick in shade 17 Khalij Girl.